make strawberry and blueberry smoothie. And the ingredients for the strawberry and blueberry smoothie is strawberry, blueberry, yogurt, some milk, honey, and a cup and a straw. And a blender. Now I'm going to pour the strawberries into the blender. And I'm going to put the blueberries into the blender. Some yogurt. Now I'm going to pour the milk. Now, honey. Honey, honey. Now I'm gonna do honey, 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 honey. I need to have 1 teaspoon of honey. Now you need an adult to help you to close the lid of the blender because it has sharp blades and it might cut yourself if you do it on your own. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Oh, oh, shake it up, shake it up. Oh, oh. Now, everybody, I'm going to test the smoothie. Delicious. You could do it with frozen fruit too. I hope you